Good evening, guys. Today we're making a twist on your classic Jaeger bomb, but I call it the Jaeger Blitz. Get some electrolytes in you. You're gonna need 3 things, simple. Orange Gatorade, orange soda, and obviously your Jaegermeister, however you pronounce it. Germans, I don't know, ask them. Ice cold, equal parts of the soda and the Gatorade. Yeah, it's good enough. 1 shot of this good stuff. And you need either a spoon. I got here some 2 sticks to keep it balanced. And now it's ready for action. Let me call my right hand man, my trusty partner in crime, Mr. Q, to test us out because you know I don't really drink in public. Alright, I'll drop it for you.
Okay, that's better. Imagine if I did that over here.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do. Right.
No, I mean like the actual thing.
Well, your alcohol level is around 2. It's pretty weak. It's a girl drink, but it tastes nice.
You make them more. It's actually really good.
Of course it's good. What do you mean? Give her my hand. Put some of this in there. Okay. I don't know why we're...
Drop it.
That's it. Oh, okay, what am I saying? Oh, cauliflower.